Hello everyone, if your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 keeps crashing and you keep getting this DirectX error 0x00001338, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can fix that DirectX error on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here notepad, you're going to put this text into the notepad, I'm going to put this text into the description of the video, you're going to go into file, click save as, go to any location and just write .reg at the end of the file. Click save on here, and if you do it correctly, you'll see a registry icon on it. You're going to double click on it, click yes on here as well, and after that you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play your Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.